Top 5.
Frigidaire. Maximum comfort throughout the evening hours with the added benefit of energy savings. With sleep mode, the temperature gradually increases a few degrees over the evening.
Top 4.
G. The air conditioner eco mode automatically turns off the fan and compressor when the room is cool enough, reducing your utility costs.
Top 3.
Medea. Install the included quick snap bracket, set the unit on the bracket and secure the side earns. After that, you are all done and ready to enjoy.
Top 2.
LG. This air conditioner has met the high standards of the Energy Star program using energy-efficient technologies that translate into electricity savings.
Top 1.
Black Plus Decker. Quiet Powerful, R5500 BTU DOE, 10,000 BTU Asher, Compact Air Conditioner, 16.5 x 11.5 x 26 in, will keep you cool and comfortable all summer.